Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Cash App Cash Card, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add this into our Uber account for a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with the Cash App Cash Card, it's a card that's attached directly to your Cash App account. Cash App is a popular peer-to-peer payment app, so a lot of folks will use it to split bills at like a restaurant or a grocery store, and it's really popular to send money to family and friends with also, so like if you're sending out a birthday card. And then recently they rolled out this Visa debit card, so that way if you have money on your Cash App Cash Card, you can use this at most places that accept Visa debit. But can you add that into your Uber app as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Uber app. It's this black and white one right here. If you don't have the app already, check the video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up the app, and this is the home screen for Uber. So here on the home screen, you can see a map of your general area. Also, you can see any suggested addresses where you might be traveling with Uber, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to add a payment method or check to see if a payment method will work with your Uber app, what you want to do is click this little button here on the top left. It's these three lines. Once you click there, then it's going to bring down a drop-down menu that you can change your payment methods. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then on this drop-down menu, you can do a lot of different things with your Uber app, like get food delivery or sign up to drive with Uber, change the settings in your Uber app, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to go ahead and add your Cash App Cash Card into your Uber app, what you want to do is click here on this payment line. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4 lines down from the top. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this screen pops up. This is the payment option, so you can see the different payment methods that you already have associated with your Uber app. As you can see, I have Apple Pay and something called Cash there. You can also add funds into your Uber Cash. I'm actually not too sure what that is. I've never used that function. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below. But if you want to add your Cash App Cash Card, what you want to do is click this button right here, this blue line that says Add Payment Method. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, I went ahead and clicked there, and then this screen pops up, so you can choose to add a credit or debit card, which is what I'm going to do with the Cash App Cash Card. But you can also add your PayPal, Venmo, Uber gift cards, but I'm going to go ahead and click this top line now. All right, next it's asking me to enter in the full card number to the Cash App Cash Card, the expiration date, CVV number, and zip code that's associated with my Cash App Cash Card. The nice thing about Cash App Cash Card is all that information is on the back of the card. So I'm going to go ahead and flip that over and enter all that information in off screen now. All right, so I went ahead and entered in all of the information, all the required information for the Cash App Cash Card into the Uber app, and then this little Visa sign popped up, so that's a good sign. Hopefully it accepts it. So once you're done entering that in, go ahead and click this black button right here. It's called Save. I'm going to click there now. All right, it's thinking. All right, and just a few seconds later, this screen popped back up called Payment, and it looks like, yes, you can add your Cash App Cash Card into the Uber app as a payment method. As you can see right here, this Visa right here was not in there previously. Now it is listed as a payment method for my Uber app. So if you were not able to add your Cash App Cash Card into the Uber app for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why that is. But as of the recording of this video, it looks like I see no issues adding the Visa debit card from Cash App into the Uber app. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.